Hey everybody, this is Keely for Tummy Love. Hi! This is like just a short video on how to make and use a salt pack. Now I started using salt packs in my practice many years ago, maybe like 7 years ago when I started specializing in abdominal massage. Now a lot of times with abdominal massage, particularly in the Arvigo practice, she incorporates castor oil packs. Castor oil packs they're very effective. They're great for reducing inflammation, great for warming the tissue and improving digestion and circulation of blood, but they're also very messy. So I decided to use a salt pack because I can take it and heat it up in a little crock pot that I have right here. Just have it next to the table on high at first, and then usually I set it, take it down to warm depending on how long my day is, because it will burn. The case that covers the salt will burn. And just now that I'm thinking about it, when you make your own salt pack, you only want to use cotton material or some natural blend material, nothing synthetic, because it will melt. The salt will heat up and it'll melt the material, and also you'll have it in something warm that will heat it up as well. You can heat your salt pack up in the crock pot that I just showed you. You can also heat it up in a microwave. I personally don't use a microwave, so I would say, test the temperature out every 5 seconds. I don't know, does that sound right? Microwave user? Heat it up in 5-second increments until it's at the warmth that you'd like. You could also use the oven. Why not? Just put it on 180 and just put it on 180 and keep an eye on it, heat it up. What I'm using is a pillowcase that I just took and put the salt in, and this way I can put it on my tummy while I'm laying down, or I can also put it on the chest to warm the chest. This is great for folks that have asthma issues because it relaxes the muscles around the lungs. This relaxes the muscles in between the rib cage, the pleura that covers the lungs, and it's just very soothing and calming. And also you can use it on your stomach. This is great for indigestion. It helps to bring warmth and improve digestion and circulation of blood, circulation of lymph. It's just fantastic. And also, why not? If you have some tight shoulders, throw it on there. Yeah, just throw it on your shoulders. I do. You can take it around and put it on your neck. Oh my God, this is cold and it still feels good. Let me just tell you. The salt pack is great for cramps. Yes, they're fantastic for cramps. The salt pack for cramps works very in a similar way to a hot pack, a hot water bottle, or don't use your laptop to warm your tummy if you're feeling cramps. Like its effectiveness is the same if you're using it anywhere else. The heat helps to improve circulation of blood and also lymph, reducing inflammation and creating relief. This is also great for sore breast. If you're premenstrual, this is very therapeutic in two ways, and that it helps relieve the pain that you're feeling in your breast, and reduces inflammation, that swelling that you have when you're premenstrual, improving lymphatic drainage and circulation of blood. But it's also, I feel, very it's like you're being swaddled. It's very, cuddly. It's very comforting, I find. Yeah, it's great. So yes, you can use it when you're premenstrual to help relieve tender breast. And I would suggest that you check out my video for breast massage. It's something that you can do after you've cuddled up with your salt pack. It's using the two techniques I feel, very beneficial. You can also use the salt pack on your tummy if you're constipated. Again, it improves the flow of blood and general circulation, including the lymphatic drainage, and can assist with peristalsis. Isn't that something? I would also recommend that you follow with abdominal massage, and you can find that on, if you're watching on YouTube, you can find that in my playlist, abdominal massage for general health. Also, on a more woo-woo tip, salt is very effective with decongesting energy and sending it to its next place of highest good. You ever heard about using salt to keep evil magic out? So there are many uses. You can also put it on the small of your back, anywhere you're feeling tightness, pain. It's fantastic. You just grab, your salt pack, warm it up, and while you're watching TV, while you're reading, talking to someone on the phone or something like texting, you can have it in place wherever you need that warmth and that release. So what's inside this salt pack? Well, what's inside is Epsom. I always want to say Epsom, but it's Epsom. Epsom salt that you can find in like large quantities, 1 pound, 5 pounds. Let me see, what's this one? This is like a 7-pound bag here. And also, so I've got the Epsom salt in here. I use either sea salt, that you can find just about anywhere in any grocery store, or you can use like some Himalayan ground salt that I'm using this time. So, you can also add lavender. This is fantastic. Oh, give me a second. Yeah, you can add some lavender to your salt pack. Chamomile, any type of fragrant flower. I have not used essential oil, but you could try that out and let me know how that goes. Just put it in the comments section. I would love to know. I'm going to show you really quickly how to put one of these lovely things together. So you just grab a pillowcase. Boom, boom. This is just like an old pillowcase that's really nice. Old pillowcase that I got at a thrift store. And you just grab your scooper. Grab your Epsom salt. You scoop it in, scoop all this great stuff in. How much? I would say, well, this is a pretty big pillowcase. So, I would say enough, even if you have something large, just put in enough salt that will cover the largest area of your body in one spot. That one pillowcase or one piece of material could cover the spot, the largest part of your body that you're going to use it on. Okay, so if it's, if you choose your belly and you use it on that, you'll also have enough material if you choose to put it on your shoulders or put it in the small of your back or put it behind your neck. I don't know. I think it's just more cost effective to have one large one or even 2 large ones that you can just move different places, as opposed to have something small and not being enough coverage for your tummy. Enough for your shoulder, but not enough for your tummy. but yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna put in a couple of scoops. Himalayan salt. And what is the ratio? I would say a cup of Epsom salt to half a cup of sea salt or Himalayan salt, whichever you choose to use. Or you could just go with Epsom salt. That would be fantastic as well. Okay, and I am going to put lavender flowers in here. It's going to be so awesome. And this is like a scoop. A scoop. This is something you definitely have to keep your eye on. If you, if you've got it in a crock pot or in the oven, especially also in the microwave, because if you keep it in too long and you've put herbs in there, you will burn them, and you'll burn your case and your, the material that you've put your concoction in. What I'm doing now is just you tie it up. You could also use an old sock. You could use something like that. A sock would be great. Cotton, not polyester or acrylic. Doesn't make acrylic socks. Think again, just keep in mind this is something you're going to be warming up. A sock is awesome because that's something you could just wrap around your neck and just chill out with. And just be like, I don't know about y'all, but this is my jam right here. We can keep talking. Well, I'm keeping this sock on my shoulders. So, this has been the video on how to make your salt pack and what to use it for. If you come up with a way to use your salt pack that I have not mentioned in this video, feel free to put it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Tummy love. Bye.